Hey everyone, how are we doing? And welcome back to another 50p special. And today we are looking at an Olympic karate coin. So if that's something that interests you, please stay tuned and let's get into this. Right then everyone, so today we are looking at an Olympic karate coin. I don't know if you've seen these before or not, but it's definitely one for the collection if you got it, and to keep it there because you never know. And as always, we show the beginning of this coin, the front of this coin, sorry, and straight away Queen Elizabeth there. Nothing really changes much on that one, but this one is dated 2011. So it's a few years old, not massively old, and this particular coin probably is still in circulation, so you could definitely spend it and lose it and never see it again, because it's very rare that I see this coin, not very often. You do come across it from maybe time to time, but not very often. So yeah, apart from that, as I said, the front's always the same, nothing changes there, so without further ado, I will turn her over and I will show you the reverse side. Right everyone, so here it is in all its glory, the Olympic karate coin. So it's quite an amazing coin the way they've done this. I really do like this one, it's one of my favourites really. Just like the way they look like he's kicking the other person, and the sort of intricate detail that's gone into this. It's really good. I don't know if you watch the Olympics and watch the karate in the Olympics. I don't that much, but I have seen it. It's good. I can understand why they minted a 50p for them for commemorating that, because it definitely is something that's worth doing. Maybe it could have been at one point a British person did win the karate Olympics and that's what they did it for. I don't know, but other than that, yeah, it's a really good coin. Definitely one worthy of putting in your collection. If you look close, you can even see they're wearing headgear and protective body. So I think it's karate, or if whatever form of martial arts it would be. Yeah, it's a real good coin to have, and as well worth keeping it clean, because this one, as I say, I don't come across them too often, so definitely happy to have this in the collection. I don't know if there's any other ones like this. This is the only one I've got of a karate one. I do have other Olympic coins which I will be showing you, so I will definitely pull them out soon, but this one I thought I'd show you guys today, and hopefully it's something that you've seen before and enjoy looking at. If you're a coin collector and you're trying to find them, then you can look at this channel and see what kind of coins are out there, especially if you're starting out as a coin collector. Yeah, because I've been doing this a long time, so I'm not one of them, how can I say, knowledgeable collectors, but I do love collecting coins nonetheless. So thank you guys anyway for staying tuned and watching this, and as I say, I'll be back with many more Olympic coins very soon. So if that was something you enjoyed, please stay tuned. Please leave all your comments down below as always, and subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you soon. Take care.